Well, on YouTube, and I'm back. We're back with another video. Yeah, I swear to God, I always be looking base, but I'm going to that. But yeah, it is about 9 o'clock right now, or a few minutes after, well, like 2 minutes, and I have already started getting ready to Essence. I'm not doing anything extra because, like, I'm leaving Sunday and I already started to pack my suitcase, so can't bother with the dig up and all them something there already. So I'm just kind of throwing something. Can't bother with no week right now. Worse, we're going to Six Flags. So I don't know what rides I'm gonna end up going on, if any really are not really somebody that's they really enjoy roller coasters to that extent. Like the thrills. I probably gonna Ferris wheel or something like that, but roller coaster. I'm gonna be boring, but and the vlog won't be, at least. I'm gonna show you all of these stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this amusement park theme vlog. I'm just getting content for y'all, right? And I mean, it's a reason to come out of the house, damn. So I definitely, I guess I'm looking forward to today, kinda. Let's just see how the day goes, because I really don't know how the days go, because I will be hanging out with, I guess, a side of my family that I've never really spent time with. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be something new. So let's see. Six Flags. I don't want to get on another ride, and apparently mostly the rides here are roller coasters. That doesn't agree with me.
Being at the front gate, please be sure to have your admission ticket or pass in hand, or wallet right on your phone. You'll be sailing through the front gate in no time.
What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off.
Girls, y'all ready?
When boarding, adjust and pull the seat to your desired comfort level. Pull down shoulder harness. The seat will lock in place.
No, I won't. I'm gonna
Keep your hands and arms inside the train at all times.
Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but like, I definitely chickened out. I felt like I was going to effing die. And probably a good thing, because they rather experienced technical difficulties. So I don't know if they're waiting to fix it, then let them go to ride, or I don't know what's going on, but I'm waiting because I had no choice. Damn, yo, I'm not make for the life here, no. So amusement parks, not for me. I do not like it. No, I don't like this at all. Then here comes this drop. Oh my god, that's crazy. I guess this is trial too. Let's see. I could never imagine this wait time just for a 30-second ride.
Hands up, hands up, hands up.
I don't even see me. I don't miss him. I want to see how awful I look. Oh,
they took a picture. Tiana, there you go. How she didn't eat that up? I ate that up.
Let me see.
That was terrible. Don't even look at that.
Oh damn! Look at me, like I'm giving birth. Damn.
Oh hell no! Don't move it on. Yeah, you look even worse. Come on. Take it down now.
No more rice for me for the day. I am done. Having some water. I'm gonna wait for the girls to do their ride. Then I'm gonna get something to eat. I don't know why. I like stuff. Well, I like teddy bears. When I hunt to find food, taking some time, but we must find it. My body can't manage this. This life is not for me. These teddy bears are so cute. I gotta get a little bit closer. They're so cute. Damn. I love them. I don't know why, but I love teddy bears so much. I do. Woo. Oh wow. Them prices are very nice. Oh god, I want to sit down.
Nice and cool. Push yourself up on it.
Okay, so I'm already getting tired. Like I'm tired. It's after 2. I don't know. It's not necessarily ready to go home, but I'm ready to do something else in a sense. So walk up and down. So let's go on one ride. Like so, we could do like a chill roller coaster ride, like the kiddie ones, or this mansion thing they were talking about. But right now over the pool section, and so me never carry no bathsuit, so I don't really plan to get wet. Other girls them are gonna do that. I'm just tired. I'm just done eat and after I watch gym, so I am gonna have a seat until they're done with what they're doing. I just got off this ride. Where is it? It wasn't bad, but damn, the dips were intense. I did not expect that. I thought it was gonna be so calm. I was like, yes, gotten on it, nah. But like, I think I had enough ride for the day. I need them to just drop me off somewhere I can just sit down and just be. I don't need no more. I'm tired. I would love to leave like, what time is it? Like by 4, but them not look like them are ready till like 7. I can't take that. It's just after 2.
And make our way to Lexington. Okay. We gotta get back to training for the crews. I'm going to try to locate that. To all of you volunteers. Thank you.
What is this?
Thanks, Sabrina. See you out there. Okay, everyone. Take a look at this map. We are in positions of control for the German Ninja likely to attack. Metropolis City Hall. Star Labs. Centennial Park. And here is Lexington headquarters, where we believe they're holding Supergirl, The Flash, Green Lantern, and now Wonder Woman. Our mission is to get inside, free the League members, then capture Wonder and the Joker. Hey guys, see you all in one piece. Watch my back while I try to look in the security panel. We need to get into Lexington to free the team. Xbox reserve team.
Good work. Those things were trying to take control of the battlefield. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here. I warned you about joining forces of the Justice League. You'll now face the full force of my plan.
That's fine.
Please put your blasters away and get ready to execute. See you next time. We need help. Booyah!
I'm actually going to go back into the video game section one more time. I really liked it, and it's calm, it's chill, and there's cool, like cold as in cool, refreshing, and also dope. Yeah. So we going to vlog. So I vlogged the first time. I'm gonna just get in the game mode this time.
Taking the Justice League off.
Top 25% now. Okay. We are back at the American, I think it's Captain American ride. They didn't get to go on it the second time, but they didn't get to go on it because they're kind of popular at that point. But yeah, so I'm just waiting on them. I went on it once. That's good enough for me, and I think they want to go back over the water park side. So I don't, I just keep you update, but pretty much it seems like they're kind of repeating things, so you guys have already been over there, so I'll probably just show you when we're about to leave or if we do something different. Got a whole ride to themselves. cover the pool section and make this draw in one corner. I am going to just finish eat like I don't know if y'all saw it, but I'm just gonna finish eating my chicken. Then I'll probably step in the water a little bit. Yeah, that's it. I love teddy bears.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As the sad story goes, baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart.
Yeah, so I think I should give y'all an update. So things are dwindling down now, and I think it's going to be a case where we're just going to head home now. So yeah, I think it went well. Like I've never really, as I think I said in the beginning of the vlog, I've never really hung out with them, and I was introduced to one of their friends. Honestly, it was a good time. I really enjoyed myself. Yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog. I think I'm going to show you some more. I don't know, should I end it up right here or show you some more of the road? I may or may not. Oh damn. Me and my unprofessional ass thought I was vlogging and I wasn't. I thought I was. Recording out backside and something on.
Staffy Duck. The third stop is Staff. Please remain seated while trail is in motion. Thank you.
Running things to keep my smile, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they didn't know was wrong. And all the
Okay guys, so I'm now in Walmart. Just a quick stop. I'm gonna see if I can take up two things that persons requested last minute. I pretty much have finished my shopping. But not in a space where this make me nervous to even look up them two things here. But I try and make it work. See if I can find it, not the first place.